little learners, to a Learn from Home session. My name is Shrutika Suresh Lohar from Devnar Colony Municipal English School number 1, and today we are going to learn number work and comparing bigger and smaller numbers. Now to explain, I am going to draw few pictures with the help of which the concept will be clear for you. This is an alligator, and this is his mouth. And think that this is a fish. Indeed, it looks like a fish. And there's one more fish here. Swimming in the water. This is an alligator, this is a fish, and this is also a fish. Now this alligator is very hungry, he wants to eat something. Now tell me, he has two options over here, this fish and this fish that is at the bottom. Now tell me which fish this alligator would like to catch. Indeed, this alligator is very hungry and he will try to catch the bigger fish instead of the smaller one. Why? Because catching this fish, his stomach will be full in first attempt. So, alligator would always like to have big fish. Now, this alligator, you are going to assume yourself as an alligator, and that is going to help us to learn comparing the numbers. Now I am going to write numbers over here. This is number 9. Number of the fish is 9, and number of the fish, this big fish, is 306. Now we have to show that alligator is willing to have this bigger fish. Alligator wants to catch the bigger fish, and we want to write it on the board. How will we write? We will simply draw two fishes over here like this. Now I am drawing both the fishes of the same size, but I will mention their number. This is smaller fish and this is bigger fish. And which fish alligator wants to eat? Alligator wants to eat the bigger fish. So he is opening his big mouth to eat this bigger fish. So where the alligator is looking at? Alligator is looking at the bigger fish. Now this sign of the alligator mouth, that is open mouth, we are going to use this to show the bigger numbers. In the math number work, today we are going to compare bigger and smaller numbers with the help of alligator mouth. We are going to indicate bigger numbers with the open mouth of the alligator, and the end, that is close end of the alligator's mouth, will be towards the smaller number. So how is it going to help us? I am going to keep this picture over here. Now let's take few examples. You will get the question in the exam like this. Compare the given numbers. Now how are you going to compare given numbers? Are you going to actually draw the alligator mouth there? No, we have got some signs that looks like alligator mouth. This is one sign. This is open end of the alligator mouth, and this is the closed end of the alligator mouth. So naturally you will show this open end of the alligator mouth towards the bigger numbers, and you will show the closed end of the alligator mouth toward the smaller numbers. So I am writing here small number and bigger number. Okay, so if the bigger number is at this side, you will draw it like this. Okay, let's take examples. I am going to draw a grid, small grid over here. That will help you understand. Now these middle boxes are going to remain blank, and I am going to write numbers on the both sides which you have to compare. You will see how you will write and indicate your answers. Now we have got some 2-digit numbers, we have got some 3-digit numbers here. We should understand now which number is bigger. We have already seen that 2-digit numbers are smaller as compared to the 3-digit numbers. But when it comes to the comparison of 3-digit numbers, I'll show you how that has to be done. Now first thing first, in this example, the simple trick that you're going to follow is, this is a 2-digit number which is naturally smaller than the 3-digit number. So what we are going to show here, where will be the open end of the alligator mouth? Towards the bigger number. So open mouth towards here and the closed mouth over there. Next, this is number 18 and this is number 59. Both are 2-digit numbers. Now how are you going to compare this? Which number comes first while counting numbers from 1 to 60? Tell me that. The number that comes first is number 18. So number that comes before is always smaller, and number that comes afterwards is always bigger. So this is a smaller number and this is a bigger number. So the open end of the alligator mouth will be here, like that. Now we have got 2 examples of the 3-digit numbers that we have to compare. How are you going to do this? Same trick that we did in this example number 2. This is number 422 and this is number 100. Now which number comes first if we go to count numbers from 100 to 500? Now the number that comes before is number 100 and number that comes later is number 422. So naturally this is a smaller number and this is a bigger number. So the open end will be towards the bigger number and the smaller end will be towards the smaller number. Here in this example the number 100 is the smaller number, so close end towards smaller number and the open mouth towards the bigger number. Now here the places of the bigger and smaller number has changed, so the sign and the open end also the direction will be changed. Here first number is 112, another number is 998. Now if you go to count numbers, which number comes first? Which number comes before? 112 comes before or 998 comes before? If you go to count, if you see the table of the numbers, we know that 112 comes before and later after counting several numbers we get number 198. So number that comes later is 198. So this is how you are going to show the alligator mouth. Alligator mouth will be towards bigger number and the close end of the mouth will be towards smaller number. So little learners, this is how the comparison of the 3-digit numbers can be shown using alligator mouth. Thank you very much for listening.